Alright, we have a boy. We have a girl.
One more girl.
We have one more girl.
And one more boy.
One more boy. Alright, do we have any older girls here?
No. She needs sanitary napkin. You need sanitary napkin?
Yeah. Alright.
Trigger warning, if you're not ready to see parity, just scroll away. Nobody's gonna judge you. It's okay. Do what's best for your mental health right now. We're back at it again with another video. This time, it's a Christmas video. Now, let me just start by saying this vlog is not gonna be all over the place, but it's gonna have some highs and it's gonna have some lows. If it's not like, if you're already feeling low and in disarray this Christmas, I completely understand. We're all in the same boat here. Now that we've gotten those things out of the way, it is apparent that I am the new Santa Claus. To be honest, I've been Santa Claus since I was like 15. I used to wrap like empty boxes and put it under my tree just so that the tree is, you know, it has some type of life to it. So I'm the Santa Claus this year in full glamour. I will no longer be referred to as an elf. That is a derogatory term for me. And you know what? I'm much better than that. I'm much bigger than that. There's so much more to me and I have so much to offer the world. Now, I wish I had Santa's magic to just magically make every kid's Christmas perfect this year, but that's not gonna happen. I haven't inherited my powers just yet, but I'm working on it and perhaps next year. For now, this is what we got. I got some Barbies. Every girl needs her Barbie. And I got some airplanes and some toy cars and some sweets for the kids. And I'm just gonna wrap it up really nicely. And that's gonna be my way of sharing Christmas this year. Listen, this is the real me, okay? I'm always gonna be childlike. I'm always gonna believe in magic. It's always gonna be this way. We just have to accept this. It is the reality. I'm tired of acting like I'm a normal grown-up. I am not. So on this trip, I wanted to focus on feminine hygiene and the kids. Now, my parents did regular packages, which is food, cleaning supplies, water, drinks. But my responsibility this time was the girls and the kids, which really is my specialty. That's where I excel there. We just got some sweets, some chips, some Barbies, some toys, and I wrapped all of them. And you know, I still have some elf dust on me, and you know, it's hard to shake it off all in one go. But you know, this took me I thought it was taking me 17 hours, but when I checked the clock, it was 45 minutes. So I'm not rusty. You know, my magic is still working to some degree. One elf/Santa made 27 gifts.